Hey guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Today we're going to replace the blower motor resistor in my 2006 Corolla. This will be a very similar process for most Toyotas, all in and around the year of mine, the 2006. I bought this one off Amazon. It was $9.99 or so, something like that. It was under 10 bucks after tax. This was the brand off Amazon, Intermotor. For my particular vehicle, it was an RU389 as the part piece. The blower motor resistor, right here on these knobs, you have a low, a medium, a high medium, and a high. If your vehicle is not doing anything, or if it's stuck on one of these and it's not switching between the speeds, it very well could be the blower motor resistor. You know, the two things that can go wrong. So from here, from you turning this, it goes to the blower motor resistor, and then from here it goes to the blower motor. I have a vehicle on how to replace the blower motor if you think it might be that, but this could also be the culprit in instances of issues with the fan speed itself. Before we dive in and start working on this, I'd like to thank you guys for watching. I do appreciate it. Please like, subscribe, and comment. It'll help move this video to the top so others can see it. And I do know that people are interested in this, because in the comments of my blower motor video, I've had a lot of people ask about it. So I wanted to make sure to finally go ahead and make one of these so everybody can see it. Okay, well, let's get to it. All right, guys, step one, we're going to take off the glove box here, just so we have a little more space to see. It's not absolutely necessary, but it's going to help us shoot this video, and also will help you guys have a little more, when you're looking at it, be able to see it a little bit better. So just a Phillips head screwdriver. We're just going to take this screw out right here, set that down, and then this piece just kind of pops off there. We'll get it out of the way is all. And then you're going to pinch in both sides of the glove box, and then just pull it straight off. See, I got all sorts of coupons in there. Okay, now I'm going to show you where the resistor is at. It's that piece right back there. You can see it's held in by a wire harness in there, and then two Phillips head screws that we're going to remove, and then we'll pull it out and take a look at it. Alright guys, here's the connector right here, and to get it out there's a button on the side that you got to press, and I'm going to block the camera when I do this, but you're going to need two hands. So you're going to press on that button and gently wiggle out the connector. Be really careful. You don't want to pull any of these wires out of the connector, but here we go, it's out. Now we can take the rest of this off. Alright guys, here's the piece right back here. I'm going to use my short Phillips screwdriver to take the two screws out. This will be much easier for you. I'm trying to do this way just so we can shoot as good a video as possible. There's the first screw. And I think we got it there. Almost. Okay. There's the second screw there. And there it is. We're just going to replace it with the new part. Goes in the same way it came out. So let's grab the new one here and put it in. Alright guys, here's the new part. We're going to put it in. Remember, the button goes on the left side, so we know that's an indicator of how we're going to put that in there. It's also got a pointy side down that fits into the mold, and a squared side up top there. So we're just going to fit this right in, and we're going to put in the screws. Okay, there's one. And then we're going to just push this wire harness just right back in, just until you hear it click. There it goes. Okay, let's test it out and see if it works. All right, guys, let's test it out. There's low, I can hear it turn on. There's medium. There's high, medium. And there's high. Okay, guys, now that we know it works, let's get the glove box back on. All right, guys, we're going to put the glove box back in. You can see there are some clips on the bottom here that we're just going to line back up here. So we're going to do that first, and they're just going to snap in to place. There they go. And then these little knobs here, you got to pinch them back in on both sides so you get the glove box back into the reservoir. And then we're just going to take this piece, this is the hydraulic piece, put it back over the little knob there, and then we're going to put the screw back in that we took out. All right, there we go. All right, guys, well, there you have it. Wasn't too bad, was it? I appreciate you guys watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. I got tons of other great videos on how to with the Toyota here and our Chrysler 300 that we have. I also have, I'm an arcade collector, so if you guys find any interest in arcade games, please check out those videos. I would really appreciate it. Thank you, and have a nice day, and hopefully see you in the next one.